celebrate Christ the King, I would like to share with you my experience this morning when I went to confession. Of course, I will not share with you my confession, but what the priest has told me, because it has helped me a lot to understand the gospel of today about the good thief. The good thief was someone who has done a lot of wrong things in his life, to the point of being crucified together with Jesus. He was a sinner, and he was also a wounded person, because that's what sins does to us. It wounds us. But in the end, he encountered Jesus. He asked for forgiveness, and he was responded by Jesus saying, "Today, you will be with me in paradise." In our lives, we are also like the good thief. Christ is the King. Love is the Lord. If we go against Christ, we go against love, we are wounding ourselves. It's like a self-suicide. We are hurting ourselves. But Christ gives us the assurance that we can always go back to Him. We can always ask for His mercy, and He will heal us. He will save us. He will make us experience again today the paradise with Him. So I invite all of you to follow the King, follow the law of love, and that's how we will experience paradise wherever we are.